And here's the other big development, and this time it's about the e-commerce industry. The giants of the industry are clearly under the lens. The BIS, which is the Bureau of Indian Standards, has cracked down on some non-certified goods with these companies. The regulators, they're turning up the heat on these e-commerce giants. A two-team squad from the Bureau of Indian Standards has raided Amazon as well as Flipkart. Their warehouses were raided on the 19th of March. And from what we've learned so far, they have seized non-certified products that have failed to meet compliance norms. So with the BIS now tightening that grip on quality control, the question is, are India's biggest online marketplaces going to face a bigger regulatory hurdle? Sameer Dikshit has been tracking this news for us in Delhi, and he's joining us from there. Sameer, tell us, how much trouble are e-commerce companies in really, especially on the quality control front?
So basically, the BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards, the government agency, has been receiving inputs that the e-commerce giant, they have been selling products, they have been storing the product which are not carrying the essential BIS marks. There are certain norms flout which are being done. And based on these inputs, BIS, the two teams carried out the enforcement action. They carried out the search operation and the seizure operations at the warehouses of Amazon and Flipkart. Now this action or the entire exercise was carried out at Thiruvallur district in Tamil Nadu, and when the officials they reached to the warehouse, they inspected multiple items which included like the water bottles, the stainless steel, the casserole set, even the ceiling fan, toys, and there's a long list of items. A thorough inspection was done at the Amazon warehouse. More than 3,300 items were seized by the officials of BIS, which included toys worth rupees 36 lakh, even ceiling fan, stainless steel bottle, insulated flask, and the insulated food containers. These were seized at Amazon warehouse. Similarly, at Flipkart warehouse, roughly around 400 items were seized, which included the food containers, the insulated water bottle or the flask. These all items were there, which was seized by the BIS officials. Now these items have been seized, but basically these items did not contain or carried the essential BIS mark. The proper information was not displayed. That's the major point that was raised by BIS, based on which the seizure was done. And now, as per the norms, a financial penalty of somewhere around rupees 2 lakh could be imposed on Amazon or Flipkart. Now it is to be decided by BIS, and even imprisonment is there under the action. So that will be decided and will be imposed by BIS. But now Amazon is saying that they regularly reach out to the vendors or the sellers to properly give the right information on their product. That is their answer or the response to these sort of raid that has been carried out. But this is a big action by BIS based on the inputs that the products which are being stored in these warehouses are not carrying proper BIS marks, proper standard mark, and that is a clear violation of the quality control order.